Right, we're out today. We're making a bit of a short video.
Just revisiting a few things.
We've got that the witches in this little bridge here.
As long as it hasn't been predated, it's got to definitely have young.
It should have no. Aye.
Just hope that it hasn't been.
We're giving it a little bit of a wide berth, just to give it a chance to fly out. It might be collecting food. It should have chicks by now.
Oh, it definitely should have pigs.
I'm trying to look. There's no bird in there, like. No, I see movement there, like. Yeah, it's got big chicks in.
Alright, see the heat's popping up. I've just seen a couple of beaks pop over the top there.
I'm just trying to get them on there.
Is it light enough? Can you see how?
I'm not sure when the camera, it's
You got your torch on?
in the car,
You can get it.
as usual.
Is it open?
It should be, aye. I've got a key here. I'll just leave the camera on till we get it. But we're right next to the car. We'll do this as quick as we can, because we've got a stone chat just up on the bank side. We're going to check that as well, so we'll take you to that. And we've got another stone chat up there as well. We're going to check that one. That's had eggs. It might have chicks. We're going to actually see if we can get some footage of this one feeding and all, aren't we?
I was going to set the camera up. Coming in feeding. They should have, but it's decent size.
Aye. They are quite big, like, looking at them. Half grown. Right, I'm saying half grown. They look about a week old at the most. You know, they're not even. I didn't even look. They might only be about 4 or 5 days. They didn't even look like they've got their eyes open. They're still a little bit baldy type things. Right, we're going up there and check that. I think I can hear the bird there. It's going to be just up there somewhere. I can hear it. Can't you spot it?
Ah, yeah.
Or is it them little stone chats? I'll turn the camera off. We'll have a look at this stone chat up here. Put the camera back on, just found it there. But it's got no, like, I don't know if it's been predated or what. There's no in there. It's a shame. It might have been predated when we found it. No, because I've seen the bird down there. Right. But we're not where the other one is up the hill. We're going to go up there and check that. Right, we're walking up the path towards Stone Trap.
I think I remember where this one is, like,
But you found this one, so
you. A little pipe now, wasn't it?
Aye.
So.
We're going to see if we can get a little bit of footage of the birds and all. That's if the nest hasn't been predated or anything.
Hopefully not.
No.
It'll have 5 or 6, I can't remember.
6?
6.
And
it's, what, a week when we first found it?
Aye.
So, could have young.
Quite pleased when we found it with eggs, because I'd never found. Well, I'd never seen them before.
Right, hard.
Found one with chicks one year, but I'll just blast it out the bracken. Right. Right, we're getting here. Yeah, I don't know if that looks good.
Quite open, isn't it?
Aye.
Ah, the bird's
Oh, there.
sitting on there.
I should have come in from that side. I was going to walk up this path here.
Probably sitting eggs on very small chicks.
Chicks and eggs. I want to hatch them.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, I just- I can see an egg there and a bunch of chicks.
Alright, so.
it'll be quick to come back, won't it?
I would imagine so.
So we'll set the camera up and we'll see if we can get it coming in.
Them just hatched today then.
They have, like, aye. So it'll be quick to come back. I'm thinking set the camera up over here, looking in.
Right.
Right, we'll check them too, and we're getting the footage what we wanted.
Get what we came for, so
Uh-huh.
back and forth. That's getting a bit nicer new now.
Oh, the sun.
A little bit.
For a change. We looked all the way down here last, just a few days ago and all, we didn't find
I've had a good look at it.
Aye.
Probably have some.
Oh, well, yeah, there's got to be hundreds of them.
Find, you know.
Uh-huh. You sort of got to disturb them for them to fly out, otherwise you didn't find them. And I didn't like scratching around in the bracken, because I've done it before, like I said, and there was an adder. You know, it sort of makes you think, especially when you've done it. Right. Aye.
One time I've had a slow worm.
Oh, I've seen the slow worm, I've seen a couple of the common lizards up here now. On a nice warm day, good hot spring day like this is when you'll see them. Because what are the reptiles? So they come to, got to get warmed up in the sun. That's what I'm a little bit weary for. Right, so we're back to the car anyways. And
Yeah, we'll come back with mate.
yeah, the problem is here a lot when I come out when that wind or torn runs so open. Just yeah.
Right.
Right, so we're back to the car and we'll get away. Right, thanks for watching.